In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Trello field ID, a crucial step if you're using Trello for project management and need to access your board's data programmatically. We'll take you through this process step by step, ensuring you can effortlessly obtain your field ID whenever you need it. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, cast your eyes to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with options to enter your credentials. If you have your details handy, you can log in using your email. Alternatively, for ease of use, you might consider using your Google account. Either of these methods will bring you into your Trello account swiftly. Once inside your account, your next move is to head over to your boards. You can do this by heading to the top navigation bar and selecting Boards. When you land on the Boards page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You're looking for the section titled Your Workspaces. This is where all your boards are organized by workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will make navigation smoother in the future. Now identify the specific board you're interested in. With a simple click, open up that board. You'll see the usual layout of lists and cards. Here's where things get a bit technical but still straightforward. Go up to the URL in your browser's address bar. Your URL might look something like this: trello.com /my team board. What you're going to do next is quite simple, yet it's the magic step that unlocks the data you need. At the end of this URL, simply add .json and hit enter. So now your URL reads trello.com my team board.json. When you press enter, you'll be directed to a page filled with a stream of JSON data, which at first glance might look a little overwhelming if it's unfamiliar. But don't worry, you don't need to understand all this data. What you are specifically searching for is located right at the start, on the first line of the data. Look for the field labeled ID, which will be followed by a series of numbers and letters. This is the unique identifier for your board, the coveted Trello field ID. Highlight this field and give it a right click, then select copy. And there you have it, you've successfully retrieved your Trello board's field ID. This ID can now be used for a range of integrations or custom applications, enabling you to leverage your Trello board data in ways that suit your needs best. Remember, each board you access will have a unique ID, so you'll need to repeat these steps for different boards. Thanks for watching.